Welcome to our video on limited liability companies, or LLCs for short. If you're a small business owner or considering starting your own business, you may have heard of LLCs but might not be exactly sure what they are or how they work. In this video, we will answer those questions and provide you with a basic understanding of what an LLC is. But before we get started, please like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you can stay on top of crucial information that can benefit your business. An LLC is a type of business structure that combines the limited liability protection of a corporation with the tax flexibility and operational simplicity of a partnership. LLCs are the most popular legal structure for new businesses in the United States. Over 36% of all new businesses formed are LLCs. Plus, there are over 6 million LLCs in the United States, making up 35% of all active business entities. Like a corporation, an LLC is a separate legal entity from its owners, which means that the owner's personal assets are protected from business liabilities. However, unlike a corporation, LLCs are not subject to double taxation, and the company's profits and losses are passed through to the individual owners and taxed at their personal tax rates. There are several advantages to operating as an LLC, including limited liability protection for owners, pass-through taxation, which can result in lower taxes overall, flexibility in management and ownership structure, fewer regulatory requirements and less paperwork than in other business structures, the ability to choose how the company is taxed. For example, a business can be taxed as a sole proprietorship, partnership, S-corp, or C-corp. To set up an LLC, you'll need to choose a name for your company, file articles of organization with the state, obtain any necessary licenses and permits, and create an operating agreement outlining the company's management structure and procedures. If you want to learn more about how to get your company off the ground, please visit legalregistration.com, or you can call our business formation team right now, 877-955-7111. Also, what do you think about LLCs? Do you like the many advantages that they can provide? Leave your comment below and let us know your opinion. Please also don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you can keep up with important business registration information.